Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Today we got a fun little quick video for you. We're going to be going over the new Dewalt Tough Case Bit sets. I originally first saw this back in December. I bought this one back when they were having all the Christmas deals, mid-December. I want to say it was on sale for either $9.99 or $14.99. And this one came with the little case that has the 2-inch bits versus a lot of the other ones only come with the standard 1-inch bits. So, I got this in December, and ever since then I've been looking for these cases, and I haven't been able to find them up until recently. I just picked up these two. I picked this one up today, and I picked this one up a few days ago. No, wait. The drill bits I picked up today, and these I picked up last week, or 2 weeks ago when I bought the 12-volt impact driver. Even on the displays, they say, "Oh, you know, new tough case system." But you look through there, it's all the older ones. It's not the ones with the clear lids. I guess. You know what I mean? The clear lids. And then just today I was able to find the drill bit set that has the case. Like this. Because most of the drill bits, the black oxides, come in the solid yellow case. And what I really like about these... Let me adjust the camera. So what I really like about these is that they stack together. So it has the little pictures on the back for dummies. Tough case, snap together, and then you can just carry them all in one. And they say it goes with, not the, so the Dewalt's version of the pack out is the tough box, tough system, tough case, whatever it's called. I can't think of what it's called. Anyways, they snap together. There's a little lip right here on the back. You guys can see that. Like that. And then it snaps together like that. Then you take the front latch. And now they're held together. And you can do that with as many cases as you want. Stack them up. Oops. Lock that one. And then it locks into place like so. And they're not going anywhere. And I like the fact that they're clear so you can see what you put in here. And they do stay on there pretty well. Actually, sometimes it's kind of hard to get them apart. Alright, first off, we'll start with the older one I had since December. Like I said, it came with the additional what Dewalt's doing is it's all going modular with all their stuff. So this is the Tough Case Plus. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then they have these little ones that slide inside the cases and has grooves built in to them. So the set I got came with the 2-inch bits, but they're the older style bits. They're a little fatter. They're not the new skinny ones like these. They both say Dewalt on them, but this one's skinnier than this one's a little bit fatter. Anyways, most of the cases now, they come with this extra little pack, but it only comes with the 1-inch drill bits. Comes with a bunch of these little ones. And I also like what Dewalt did with the rubber snap-in. So essentially you just kind of push it in and then it snaps right back into place like that. And it keeps the bits held fairly well. And the older style came with this magnetic bit holder. So you pull this back right here and the bit releases. Pull back. Get the stupid thing that stays in place just like that. These magnets actually work okay. They're not the best, but they do help a little bit. See what I mean? It just fits right in there ever so perfectly. It's not coming off. Now the newer case I got last week, it all came with the newer style bits. These are 2.5 inch. They're not the full 3 inch. This is a 3 inch bit. See the difference? Or no, they're 2.5 inch. Yeah. So, I'm sorry, this is 3.5 inch and this is 2.5 inch. So it's an inch smaller. So these ones came in the new style case. The new, torsion zone, etc., whatever they call it. And it's funny, is that this bit, you can see it, it's actually bent. So right, hold on, let me see if I can see it. Yeah, it's like that. It curves up to the left, look at that. You can see how it's bent? And that's a brand new bit, I haven't used it. So it's like, come on DeWalt, at least make the damn bit straight. Anyways, the point of the video is, has anybody seen these new cases? So today on the display, it said new tough case system, and the whole rack was nothing but the old solid orange cases that are not stackable, is what I'm saying. And this is the only one I could find, and it was way in the back. I had to dig through all of them to find this one. And these are on sale right now. The black oxide drill bit set is 14 bucks. And it comes with a stackable case, which I like. You can also pop out these drill bits and put in your Makita Golds or whatever else you prefer to use, your Milwaukees, whatever. If you never have enough drill bits, I seem to break them and go through them all the time, especially the smaller ones. I just really like the stackable cases and how you can interchange the little compartments, and even these little holders pop out so you can put them where you want. Essentially, just personalize the cases for the job that you need to get done that day. Say, okay, I'm gonna be using, Phillips screws all day. Then you can grab this one that has primarily Phillips bits. Like this new one, it came with 2, 4, 6, 8 2.5 inch Phillips, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 T25s, which is really nice. And then this new long bit holder, which I really like. And it also has the sleeve that pops up. Magnet on it, it's pretty good. Hear it? And then this one also comes with 20 smaller 1-inch bits. And these are the newer style with the torsion zone. Let's compare them. So see how this is the older style, and it's just a standard bit with a little groove around it. Now this one has 2 grooves around it. Little Dewalt ring. Old, new. And I saw somewhere that there's a system that these go into, and that goes into your tough system. It's like a case that slides into your tough system, but I haven't seen that yet. So if anybody's seen that, let me know, because I'm really interested to see how these go into that system. And then there's supposed to be additional spots where these little ones can go in as well. So here we go. I pulled up a picture of the larger case that these go into. So I guess it looks like that, and then you can see the smaller spots there are for these smaller ones here. So they don't clip together in this, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 slots for them. And also, where'd it go? Right here. This box here, they stack up and they can lock onto this box like that. Anyways, I thought that was pretty slick. I wouldn't mind getting one of these top cases like that to put all your drill bits and everything in. Even though right now I have the pack out system, I didn't go with the tough system. So guys, I want to know, do you guys use these? Does anybody else have these yet? I've seen a lot of pictures of them, but I haven't seen a lot of them in the store. So I'm sure you can order them all online, but I like to get stuff in the store and look for deals because I'm just a bargain hunter, because there's no way I could run this channel if I bought everything at full price. As long as we're talking about drill bits and cases and everything, if anybody's seen this Makita case for sale on Amazon, do not buy it. Check this out. So the case looks nice, you know, it's a big case, bigger than most standard cases. Got a lot of bits in it. There's a few different options online. I forget how many piece it is, you know, 100 piece, blah blah blah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it comes with 7 drill bits on this side, 2 spades, a couple 4-inch long bits, a couple of 2-inch long bits, you know, the adapters, nut drivers, and then a whole bunch of little ones, right? This nice bit holder here, it's a piece of crap. I don't even think it's straight. Yeah, it's not straight. The shank is crooked on it. But this is what I really want to show you. So you see these, little latch pops up, you know, bits come forward so you can look at them. Watch this. You pull these out. Look at my hand. Clean. Watch this. Look at all the bits. Turn your hands black. And then you can see the difference where I've actually wiped off the other ones. See, I wiped the coating off and they look gray. And then this one I haven't wiped off, you can see that it's black. But then, so you don't get crap all over your hands, you have to wipe them off, and then the bits, see, look at that. So this one I wiped clean so it doesn't get crap all over my hands, and this one I didn't. But you can see, watch this. See, clean hand wash. See, look at that. I don't know what's all over them. I mean, look at that. It looks like I did fingerprints. They're just full of nastiness. It's not oiled. It's like the paint itself is coming off of them. I mean, who the hell is going to use a 3-inch long spade bit? I mean, it is sharp. Watch this. So, I mean, the tip is sharp, but look at my freaking hands now. They're disgusting. And these drill bits, super chintzy. They're not sharp at all, and I already broke the little one just by using it the very first time. You can see that they're not the best build quality. I mean, it's not a real Makita bit. It's just some cheap garbage. Again, with the frickin' crap all over them. Well, that one's not as bad. But anyways, if you're thinking about getting this case, I would pass. It's not worth, I think it was like 15 bucks or something like that. But still not worth it because it's disgusting. So I really use like emergency bits. I don't ever really use them. Alright guys, let me know if you use the new tough case stackable interlocking cases from Dewalt. These are the old ones. See, it's a smidgen smaller, but there's no place for it to lock on. I like them. We'll have to see the longevity of the bits, see if they break, if they hold up to the torsion zone or torque zone or whatever it is, if they hold up. Let me know what you guys think. I want to hear your opinion about these. I also need to know, what video do you want to see next, guys? I'm thinking I might do like a Harbor Freight Bauer against maybe Ryobi or something like that, hammer drill, drilling in some concrete to see how the hammer drill is. Something like that I want to do. Maybe some sort of drill. Hercules, Bauer against Ryobi, Milwaukee, Makita, something like that. Let me know your thoughts. There you go, guys. Thanks for watching. Appreciate your time. Everyone, have a blessed day. See ya!